Yo, what's good? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is well. Today, we are going to be watching WillsFX making over $5,800 trading FTMO funded account. This guy, WillsFX, link will be down below in the description. Make sure you subscribe to him. He's a pop-off trader. He's popping off. He's 19 years old now. He started when he was about, I don't know, if it's 16 or 17. Probably 17. However, this guy has been showing his progress throughout the whole journey of his Forex career, and he finally got FTMO funded. He already got a payout, which we reacted to on our previous video. Make sure you subscribe with notifications turned on because we are uploading every single day at 6 p.m. But nevertheless, we are now going to be reacting to this trading $5,800. Without further ado,
YouTube channel.
Let's go, WillsFX.
Go over my recent trades on the FTMO account. You know, I'm trying to keep every single week updating you guys with my trades. To show you the transparency.
It's going to show us the trades.
Show you every trade I've taken.
That's what we like to see. Transparency. That's what it's about. This guy does it.
That I've actually taken because, you know, it's not all wins. It's not going to be all wins ever, really.
Never all wins. Never all wins.
Here to show you that.
Facts.
So obviously we did end the last trading period on the challenge. As you see, nice equity graph here.
Zero drawdown, by the way, ladies and gentlemen.
And we got our 7,800 profit split, which has actually been sent to me.
We made a video on this, by the way,
to receive that
on the channel already. Make sure to go watch it.
But when that does actually get there, I will post it on my Instagram story. There's a link there. You can go check that out. Currently, we're up. Firstly, we've actually been doing this for 2 days.
Okay.
So I got the details, as you can see, on the 5th of April.
Okay.
And today is the 6th of
April. Say no more.
As you guys can see on the screen, my profit split is actually on the 5th of May. You know, I could change it to bi-weekly again, but I don't really see the point. I only did it for the first one because you actually get the refund, and you also get the profit split earlier. And once you get that first profit split, you're like, okay, this is good. They're legit. They actually paid me out.
Yeah,
and that's why I actually did that. And as you can see here,
just like the Forex Funder, link in the description if you want to get funded and use someone else's capital. The Forex Funder is always that.
There was my refund from FTMO. So
good stuff. At least he gets the refund.
Which I actually got
which
from,
is like every other
which
prop firm, by the way.
At the start
Once
of the challenge,
you pass, you get a refund.
You guys can see here that we are up on the account by $5,800 in the first 2 days. So that is 5.8%. You can see that we started with a 4.5% trade, so making us 4,500 exactly.
No DD, no drawdown.
Very, very stupid mistake. I don't usually make stupid mistakes like this, but it does happen. And we did actually lose.
You're 19, bro. You're going to make mistakes. No one is perfect.
Because of it. But then we had a nice gold trade, which pushed us back up. And we made around $2,400, I'd say.
Look at
on
that.
This gold
4
trade
trades,
alone.
ladies and girls. Only 4 trades needed. Up 6.
Now you can see after our profit split.
We'll probably split 4,600.
We're going to, at the moment, 2 days in, take home 4,600. My aim is to make over 10% in this month. You know, we've got 28 days left to make that 4.2%. It's definitely possible. We did 4.5% on the first trade. So you guys can see where I'm going with this one is very, very easy. You see max daily loss 1,800.
Not easy.
This was because I had that one loss with the 1.1k, which I go over.
And it's not easy, by the way, but it's easy.
Then we did actually have drawdown a little bit on that gold trade, so that's why it does say that. As you see, the max loss $275.
It's easy for WillsFX.
Nothing to worry about. Nowhere near the 10k. And then profit 5,800.
The thing is, it's not even about the trades he's taken. It's the psychology as well. You know, it's about the way that he's taken 4 trades. 5th of April, only traded once, took the 4.5 grand, nice profit. 6th of April, trades 3 times, used 35 lots, finishes in 1.3k. You know, he took that little dip and then made profit on the same day, and then beautiful stuff. That's why, like, it's all to do with the trades, but it's also to do with the psychology whilst trading. Because if you can't manage your risk correctly, or not, if you can like pause yourself and take a step away from the market after you've made profit, and then you don't trade for a few days or whatnot, then that's when you know that you're gaining experience in the market, because you're not there to trade every day. You're just there to make money. Then once you made money, you pull out and then you go again. So over trading is a common thing.
As you see, the average profit is over double the average loss. So once again, we're all good. 75% win rate, very, very good going.
It's a good win rate.
2 days. The lot sizes look big, but that's because of the tight stop losses. And when I'm trading Forex pairs, it's usually 4 or 5 pip stop loss. You know, if you do the maths, £1,000 risk, $1,000 risk, 4 pip stop, 25
gold as
times
well.
4 is 100 actually. And then you times that by 10 because of the pips. And then yeah, that's how we get the 25
Yo,
bucks.
you gotta love the
here.
authentication.
4.5k, 1.1k,
Fuck
and then
no.
these two were the gold trades. Bit of a mishap with the gold trade, right? So I was on my MT4, hovering over the trade. I pressed sell limit.
Free
But apparently
trades
I didn't
wins,
press the
one
sell
loss.
limit. So it entered me into a market execution trade. So it entered right there and then on the gold sell. And then also set the limit, which then got tagged in. So technically I was risking 2% on that trade. And that's why I didn't really hold, because you know FMC was coming up. And
Yeah,
that's why I
100.
actually closed that trade.
Remember that FOMC, okay? It's a high impact news for the USD, the US, and basically he doesn't trade it. He closes out his trades for it. For you traders out there as well, maybe something to learn from this video. Try not to trade news. Yes, it can be tempting because of high volatility, but if it goes the wrong way, slippage can lose your account, challenge account, funded account, or even your live account. You can lose a lot of money. Keep that
Earlier than I usually would have.
That's a good part of
because, you know,
his
there's
trading
more risk
plan
on the
that
line.
he'll have.
I didn't just
is
want to
not
make
to
it
trade
risk free.
news.
I wanted
that
to
is
take the
what he
profits,
sticks
and
to,
now
so
we're up
that's
like
perfect.
1.3% today.
Consistency is
Because
key.
obviously we did have that AU loss as well. But you see there, 1.3k. And if you go
I love the
for week,
legitness as well, boys.
guys
This
can
is
see
what
the
we've been
exact same
after,
profit.
man. Every
If it
single
refreshes,
video we've done with all
oh, there you go.
of the big pages.
5,800. And once again,
He's
it
like
does say
that's a
demo because
funded
obviously
account because it says
FTMO
FTMO
wouldn't
account.
give you a real account to trade, because if it was real money, you could just blow it all. So I don't know, I think they do like a copy trader sort of thing.
Yeah.
To make sure that your trades are actually legit. You're not just spamming lots and hoping it works out. But as you see, XAU USD we made 2.5k, AUD USD 3.3k, and you know there's some good stats in FTMO here.
AUD,
but I
USD.
personally like to use my FX book.
He does
I
do
use Edge
sales
Monk as
more,
well.
and that's
And I also
WillsFX is
have,
good for the sales for gold.
Microsoft Excel. I kind of have all my
He
stats
has a good
in
vision for
those sort of
sales,
programs.
for sure.
But if we actually go onto the charts now, you can see here at 1:30 I sent this looking for gold to buy from this 19.95 level, and then this is what happened at that level. You know, I sent the signal at 6:30. Boom, that was our entry. I said to close at 4.5%, so pretty much as we were pushing up, you know, FOMC price can reverse very, very quickly. Wanted to make the most of the profit, make the
Got out
profit,
early.
And then be done.
Because
You know, this was the trade I actually got in on my personal FTMO. Because I was done for the day, I don't usually like to enter more than 2 or 3 trades in a week, so that's why
His chart
today I
setup's
entered
quite
those
clean as well, you know.
2
It's not a
trades
lot
or
of
3
lines
trades,
and stuff on there.
depending on the split positions, but that's why I didn't actually enter on my FTMO account, entered on my personal account, but that's because I don't have the strict rules, you know, that I enter certain trades on my FTMO, certain trades on my personal account, and that's why I entered this one, because you can't actually trade news on an FTMO account, so you can't trade like 2 minutes after news.
You can't trade news, however, if you've got a Swin account, you can trade news, by the way.
And as you see, this on the 5-minute chart was 2 minutes after news that this actually happened, well, within that 2-minute range. So I didn't really want to risk trading on an FTMO because there's certain parameters that you actually have. You know, price could wick us out within those 2 minutes, and technically then you violated the rules.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure that does affect your payout. I think they reduce it or something like that.
They don't reduce it, but like, say if you blow your account, then whatever profit you're in, they'll pay you out, but you won't get a refund because no, I think you still get a refund. However, with the payout, they just close your account and they'll pay you out whatever profit your account's in.
But yeah, this was a trade we actually got in.
If you blow
early on
any
the sales,
prop firm account, that's what
and
they
we
should do.
closed
It might
around
vary
that level.
between different prop firms.
The original
Forex
TP,
Funder
as you see from this one here,
would do exactly
was
the
at
same.
this level down there. The reason I missed this entry was literally because I wasn't at the charts. You know, I had my alert set. I got the alert.
Too busy playing.
Came into my setup.
Too busy playing Formula 1.
5 minute, as I was calculating the lot size and logging into my FTMO account.
Even still, let me just look at this trade right here. You ready? Previous highs, we braked, testing previous lower highs, bullish engulfing before it went up. So then we retested. He's getting re-entries in. Previous retest here. Pull back. We're going to wick out the previous retest near the bodies. And that's where he wanted these entries.
Obviously, when you're trading multiple accounts, it is a bit tricky.
Getting a wick out on the bodies.
Because obviously you've got to.
He's a good trader, man. He can trade for sure.
Switching between them.
You can trade gold for sure. He knows what to look out for. By the time I did all that,
it's just pretty
with
much
gold, it's about getting market
literally
direction.
dropped,
you know?
like, how many pips was that? Yeah, it dropped about 30 plus pips without me, which obviously wasn't ideal. but it is what it is.
And even if you look, right, so FOMC news spiked up, then down, previous lower high before we broke out. So we're just pulling back, slippage slash collecting the imbalance. Collection there, now a bullish market. Because we retested previous lower highs from the previous highs. We respected the bodies after the wick out, after the breakout. You get me? So if he really wanted to, I know this was like on a Friday evening, so he wouldn't have wanted to hold over the weekend because he can't with his FTMO. But then after this touches, then it's buyers all the way, and we're now at what 19? What we are right now? Bloody hell! I trade every day, and I still don't know 1930. But we did a massive sell. That's why, because we went up to 1988, and then sold off 1998. Sorry, and then sold off to 1932. So we're now going to see buys back up all the way to 2008, by the way. So from 1932 now, we'll probably retest like 1930 area, and then go from 1930 to 2008. You heard it here
Once
first.
again, AU. If I can go over that one. This was the entry on this AU trade, and as you see, 4.6%.
It's good that he
and we had,
trades
like,
different
$75
pairs as well.
commission, that's why it was like 4.5k. But pop the entry screenshot up here.
Not all the
It's
time.
Proper sniper. The limit was
Is
hit,
there always going to
and
be a
we
move
had
to take on a
0.6
certain pair that
pips
you
of
trade?
drawdown
So if you have
before
multiple
actually
pairs,
riding to the TP.
then you can take your time.
You know, we had a bit of a pullback, nothing to worry about. Lower time frames doesn't really matter at all. And my goal kind of for these FTMOs is to literally make 5 to 10% per month. I'm not aiming for like 40, 50% or 20+% in a month, because, you know, although it is possible, and as you see, I've made 5.8%, not over leveraging, obviously, in the first 2 days, and we would have made an extra 4.5% if we took that gold trade if it wasn't a news event. However, I'm taking it slow. You know, it's pretty much free capital for me. And what I'm going to do with the profits is just invest them elsewhere. Either invest them into my personal trading account, max out my ISAs. You know, on my second channel, there's a link in the description. I actually made a video on my personal investments. And if you want more content on my second channel, be sure to drop it in the comments, because I want to know what you guys actually want on there, because if it's worth uploading on there again. I used to upload a little bit on there. I've done like 5 or 6 videos. But yeah, I'm thinking of making a comeback on that channel. So if you are interested, leave it in the comments so I know what you guys are actually wanting to see.
I'm making a video.
You know, more vlog style videos, more finance style like this one. Well, this is pretty much Forex, but I kind of want to keep them separate. So I didn't know if you want like day in life, that sort of thing on that channel, and keep it to Forex mainly just on this channel. Yeah, gold today, very interesting. We
So
obviously
now he's
had
going
that
through his
FOMC
gold
and
bias,
then
which was the
crazy
FOMC.
consolidation. And when you're trading the news, you've got to be very careful, because as you see, this push to the upside was around 100 pips, and then we had obviously 100+ pip move from that top area, 140 pip
From
drop,
the previous lower highs, wick out.
and then another 100 pip rise, and then another 80 pip drop, and then another 90 pip push up. So you see like hundreds and hundreds of pips of movements
Just
within like
arranging
an
all
hour or
noise.
two, like 2 hours maybe. Yeah, it's been 3 hours since. And you see how many pips we've moved. So you guys have got to be careful trading these sort of areas. I don't usually signal or send my trade ideas out for news, but you know, setup was there as you saw from 1:30. So 1:30, I had this setup actually lined up. So you know, I had to pull the trigger. I had to take it.
Pull the trigger.
And then I said take profit, and that is actually why you take profit during news. There's a prime example. You know, it's pretty much
You gotta be
money
careful
in
with
seconds,
news,
or if not,
100%.
you know, minutes. So
Have to be careful.
you might as well make the most of it. There's money you didn't have 5 minutes before. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this update. I'm gonna do more updates on the channel too. So if you guys did enjoy, like and subscribe. And I'll see you
Let's
guys
go.
for the next FTMO update. Hello.
Guys, make sure to check out his channel, WillsFX, link in description down below. Very good trader, 19 years of age, still popping, still got his FTMO account, still trading. Probably do more withdrawal videos, so make sure to check him out. Very good trader. I'm pretty sure he does some signals as well, so check them out. Let me know who you want to see in the comments down below. I'll make more videos obviously on this. Every single day at 6 PM we do a new video, so check it out. GMT time, UK time. Until next time, catch you boys in a bit. Peace.